Welcome back to another episode of Dirty Garage Mods. Uh, Today we are going to be working on a 12.5 horse IC Quiet Briggs and Stratton. I looked at the engine code earlier, and from what I understand, it's a 2003. Not 100% on that. I could look it up and find out. I actually went and had a guy who was looking for a starter. He was looking for one of these, and I sold it to him for 30 bucks, and then he told me I could have a couple other starters he had laying around that was no good, which I'll be looking at them a little bit later. And then he said he had this engine, so I checked it. I turned it by hand to see if it had compression, and it does. It's real strong. It needs a starter on it, which I have, and I went ahead and just offered him 20 bucks. So in a sense, he bought the starter off me for 10 bucks. So not too bad of a deal. These are good engines. So what we're going to be doing, this is going to be part one of this engine. It may become part two of the Willys Jeep mower build. I haven't decided yet. I'm actually looking for a bigger motor for that, but I may use this and haven't decided. But anyways, I'll cut back in here in just a few minutes, and when I'm actually getting started on it, hopefully we can get it to run today. Alright, anyhow, here we are. Hopefully that's enough light. I noticed in my last video the light wasn't as good in the garage, even with all the lights on. So hopefully this will do it. Also, I opened up my flash bulb here. I think that affects the light somehow, so I'm going to try that out and see. So anyways, here we are. We'll be attaching the starter, and hopefully I can hold it up there and do it at the same time. They don't make these starters easy to hold, especially when you got a nervous condition. Alright, so here we are. I went ahead and got the bolts started, and now I'm going to go ahead and start working on trying to get them to tighten up. It's amazing what a 1/4 of an inch difference it is. And still, I'll have to make that go. Oop, 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 losing my light. Lose my light. There we go, there's that one. Now, the fun part will be trying to tighten that one up, but I have a 1/2 inch ratchet wrench. That should do the trick just fine. Hopefully, anyhow. I got it set to the right. And of course it's not going to do the trick because I can't even get it in there. I'll thread it in by hand. Yeah, we're getting closer. I can fit the ratchet in there now. Oh yeah. There we go. So there's a starter on there, and this casing is not bolted down, but I'm not worried about that right now because I may have to pull it off to pull the flywheel to do some work. Haven't quite figured out yet if I'm going to have to. The oil dipstick, it needs to go back on, and I probably need to find the piece that holds it on there, and I think I got one. I'm just going to have to look around a minute and see. I know I pulled one off of an old engine somewhere. If not, I'll break out a small drill bit and I'll find a way to attach it. So, but anyways, yeah, I'll cut back in here in a few minutes. I gotta go get some wiring and stuff. So, anyhow, I went out and got this wiring off of my Craftsman to plug into this thing here. I know that's the wiring for the stator, which I need to be able to plug it up into the coil, or not the coil, the solenoid and all that stuff. So to do a true test fire, I'm going to probably have to take this motor and put it on the Sears Craftsman I got out in the yard. So I'll probably be doing that over the next few days when it's a little bit warmer. However, it turns freely. It's got really good compression. So there we go. This wire here, I know what it goes to. I know what it would plug into, but it's not on my Craftsman at all. So if you guys could tell me, comment down below, either in the description or below the video or in Facebook, wherever I share this at, and let me know what you guys think. I want to do a test fire. I wanted to do it externally, but the way it's going, I'm going to have to just go ahead and put it on the tractor and get it all bolted up and everything to actually do the test fire. So anyways, on to the next part of this deal. So it's a good thing that I didn't actually get it to fire, because it's full of grass and probably rat's nest or something down in there. There's a lot of grass and junk in there. So I'll be taking all this apart and cleaning it out real good. That'll be part 2 of this video. I'm running out of time right now. So anyways. So I apologize for this video being so short. I wanted it to be a little bit longer, but I can't do anything at the moment. It's actually really chilly here in Indiana, so and I don't want to be outside too much. If you guys like the videos that you see, please hit that thumbs up. That's a big one for me. Subscriptions, it would be great too, so please subscribe. You can also follow my builds. It's actually a group on Facebook called Garage Kept. The link will be in the description. If you want to support my channel, you can go to my Patreon. The link will be in the description for that as well. And any products that I use, which the only product I use would be my jump pack in this case, I'll go ahead and include that link down below. So if you guys are interested in that type of jump pack, it's also a power inverter, does quite a bit of things. It's got a built-in air compressor. It's actually rated really high. It has a 4.5 or a 5-star rating, I can't remember. So it's a good jump pack. Pretty good deal on Amazon. So anyways, Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.